Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to use Twitch commands efficiently. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to use Twitch commands efficiently, you just simply have to open your Chrome browser and you can learn it from there. Just simply search for Twitch commands into your browser and then this chat command link of Twitch will appear. Just simply tap into that link and then open the official site of help.twitch.tv. Then after that you will get to see this page. Now you will get all of the commands that you want to know. And by reading all this section, your questions will also be cleared into this page. Now as you can see here, if you want to use chat modes for your channel, you have to use this /modes option. If you want to gift a specific number of subs to the community, you can use command gift and then after that quantity inside the middle bracket. Then similarly you can use so many commands into your chat section. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.